Throughout history, humans have always been searching for better, more creative and efficient ways to kill each other. So it's not surprise that artificial intelligence was hanging out in the military long before AI started to deciding which cat videos you should watch next. From early calculators and mechanized equipment to radar systems and autonomous drones, AI has been an absolute game changer on the battlefields. In today's episode, we are diving into the rise of military AI, from ancient creations to Cold War paranoia-driven innovations and today's cutting-edge combat tech. My name is Darek, and welcome to the Sands of Time. Before we get to the modern AI, let's take a quick trip back to the ancient history. Some of the earliest minds dreamed of what we now see as an AI. There was a guy called Hero of Alexandria, a Greek engineer from around the 1st century AD, who created what might be called an earliest robot, a simple automation powered by steam to open and close temple doors. It wasn't intelligent, but it was the first hint that machines could perform tasks previously done by humans. World War II brought AI-like innovations to the battlefield that deserve some spotlight. The most famous is, of course, Alan Turing bomb machine, which cracked the Enigma code. Though it's not AI by today's standards, the bomb machine was a complex device that automated pattern recognition to decipher messages, introducing a concept that would become a cornerstone of modern AI, using algorithms to solve problems that are too complex for humans alone. Also, in World War II, there were developments like the proximity fuse, for example, which used basic sensors to detect targets and make decisions on detonation timing. And then also there was the Mark I fire control computer, an electromechanical computer used by the US Navy to aim naval guns. It automated the calculation of firing solution, making a shift toward computer-assisted warfare. Now, let's move on to the Cold War, the true starting point for what we would now recognize as AI in military history. In the 1950s, early computers began to play a crucial role in the military strategy and operations. The Semi-Automatic Ground Environment (SAGE) system was one of the first massive computer networks designed to coordinate air defenses across the entire US. It wasn't intelligent in the way we think of AI today. It processed data based solely on preset instructions, lacking the adaptability of modern AI. Still, it laid the groundwork for using digital power in military command and control. On the other side of the Iron Curtain, the Soviets were also busy developing early systems to control and guide missiles with computer-aided technology. Much of their programs remains shrouded in mystery, leaving the effectiveness of those systems unclear. Still, the concept of smart technology was beginning to take hold, even if it had a long way to go. By the 60s and 70s, the use of AI-like technology in the military was expanding rapidly. In Vietnam, systems like SAGE were joined by early computer-assisted radar systems capable of tracking enemy movements with unprecedented accuracy. The US employed those automated radar systems, which were among the first to automatically detect and track targets, laying a groundwork for today's advanced drone AI. Although they weren't yet intelligent, they shifted the focus of warfare towards automation, demonstrating how technology could not only gather data, but also influence combat decisions. Commanders could now base their decisions on precise real-time information, allowing for faster and more accurate reactions to the enemy actions and more targeted strikes. The 80s and 90s saw AI firmly integrated into modern military technology, especially with the rise of smart weapons. These weapons used early AI systems to assist in precision strikes. Laser-guided bombs and GPS-guided missiles relied on basic algorithms to correct their flight paths mid-air. The Gulf War in 1991 showcased those advantages, changing how warfare was conducted. Accuracy became paramount. Smart bombs were able to hit their targets with a degree of precision unimaginable in previous wars, showing the potential of technology-enhanced warfare. Think more surgical and less Call of Duty approach. By the year 2000, AI had started to really fly, literally. Early Predator drones weren't fully autonomous, but represented a huge leap forward. While they required a human operators, AI played a crucial role in navigation and targeting system. As technology advanced, AI's influence grew. Algorithms could now identify targets, calculate risk, and suggest strategic actions. These drones went from simply providing recon to actively engaging targets, a trend that only grew as the years progressed. Fast forward to the 2010s, and we are in the world where AI doesn't just assist, it acts. Today we have self-driving tank-like vehicles. For example, the Russian Uran-9, which can operate autonomously on the battlefield, equipped with both offensive and defensive capabilities, such as turret and missile systems. Still experimental, Uran-9 is designed to engage targets with little human input. Then there is US military's experimental X-47B drone, which can take off, land and carry out complex combat maneuvers without a pilot, demonstrating AI's potential for autonomy in the aerial combat. AI is also transforming logistics with autonomous vehicles like the Talon robot, designed to carry heavy loads and deliver supplies in dangerous or remote areas, becoming a key asset for military operations. AI role in cybersecurity and threat analysis is equally profound, as it can sift through vast amounts of data to predict and counter cyber attacks far more efficiently than any humans. However, this has raised a serious ethical question. Should we allow machines to make life or death decisions? It's a debate every major military power is grappling with, as the benefits of AI in terms of speed and accuracy are undeniable, but so are the potential risks. The future of AI in military promises both incredible innovation and serious challenges. We are moving towards AI systems that can analyze entire battlefields, predict enemy actions, and adapt strategies in real time. Advanced AI might play a key role in cyber warfare, creating offensive and defensive measures with unprecedented speed. Yet, with great capability comes greater responsibility, as questions about AI role in warfare ethics became harder to ignore. As AI continues to evolve, the stakes, just like the technology, are getting higher. From ancient automations to drone swarms, AI evolution in military history has been a steady progression. What began with simple calculations for fire control has evolved into a complex ethical debate about autonomy and life or death decisions. Whether AI will make the world safer or more dangerous is a question only time will answer. But what we do know is that this channel can't grow without your support. So if you enjoyed the video, please like it, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.